Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn job leads with LinkedIn Filters Export, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn job leads using LinkedIn's Filters Export, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Jobs section in the top menu. Use the search bar to enter relevant keywords related to your job leads. Apply filters to refine your search results based on location, date posted, and experience level. Once you have the desired results, review the job listings carefully. Make sure to note any specific leads you want to keep track of. To export the filtered job leads, you may need a premium LinkedIn account, as this feature might not be available for free users. Look for the option that allows you to save or export your job listings. If this option is not directly visible, consider using a third-party tool or browser extension designed for. Alternatively, you can manually copy the information from each listed job, including the job title, company name, and URL. Paste this information into a spreadsheet for easy organization. Make sure to include additional columns for notes or status updates about every lead. Once your spreadsheet is complete, save it in your preferred format, such as Excel or Google Sheets. You can also back up this file to a cloud service for added security. Regularly update your job leads by repeating this process as new listings appear. This practice will help you stay organized and ensure you don't miss out on any opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.